All right, for all you people been waiting for lots of stuff, we got lots of stuff, and these are all C8s. Are going out tomorrow. This is a row of shaping machines. As soon as the money's collected, that's all going out. Motors for the high tones. These are more C8s stacked high, and then you walk over here. These are all high tones, 14 high tones, 12 high tones. These are all going out tomorrow. We'll probably run 2 more semis UPS, stacks of low-speed screw machines, and these are all queued up, getting labeled, ready to go as well. And then for you who've all been waiting for saws, these are stacks of 18s and 24s here. Some big stacks of those that just came in today. We had 2 containers come in, one yesterday, one today. These are stacks of 16. I know a lot of you guys have been waiting for 16s. I got 14 of them in there. Some more 24s. Those are 20-inch saws that are going out. More coolant, more saws over there. So we've got a flurry of stuff that is coming your way. So if you've got orders on order, hopefully, you know, I know we're still going to have a lot of people on back order for the C8s, although I think we're sending like 40 or 50 right now. Definitely we're pounding away. I just talked to John, and he's got 2 more containers queued up. He'll have a third probably in about a week. Our challenge has been getting containers. In fact, with this stuff, this was supposed to come in on December 23rd, and Maersk, the freight line, because there's so many COVID cases and the ports have been delayed, that they pushed this container to a subsequent vessel, which we had another container on, so pushed us back there. So it's one of the things that we're struggling with. COVID's taken a big hit on the ports. There's about 30% of the staffing is down on the ports coming up alongside the U.S. because of COVID. So that's slowing down getting stuff in. But good news is, it ain't slowing us down. No virus is going to slow us down. So here it comes for you guys.
Hey, thanks for watching today. If you like what you see, click the like button. Subscribe if you want to get more videos like this, and down below in the description you'll find a link that goes to our website. It goes to also what we showed you today, more information about that, and leave comments if there's things that you like, if there's things that you want us to do more on, if there's videos that you want us to shoot that we haven't shot. We're very open to that. We're really looking for ways to help you be successful in your endeavors with the tools and technologies that we create, as well as any other aspect of the hobby.